Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how I do napkin math, or a quick analysis on a wholesale deal. So for this example, I'm going to do my market, which is the Seattle area, Kirkland, Washington to be specific. So let's say in this property is going to be, it's able to sell at 1 million after repair value, which is very common in my market. So I know that after someone sells a property with realtor fees and closing costs, it's going to be about 10%. So after they sell it, it's going to go to 900K. So let's say this is a 2,000 square foot house. And I know based on the condition of this property, it's going to be about $100 per square foot to finish or to rehab. So with that being said, $100 times 2,000 is going to be a rehab of 200K. 200K rehab. So after the closing costs, realtor fees, and rehab, the break-even point on this property is going to be 700K. 700K break even. Now, I know that investors in this area in a hot market, they're going to want at least an $80,000 profit. So I'm going to include that in here. My selling price to investors is going to be $620,000. Now me, as the wholesaler, I'm going to try and get this property locked up for at least $600,000. And then that leaves me with a $20,000 assignment fee. Locked up at $600K, which leaves me a $20,000 assignment. Okay, so the only way that this $20,000 assignment fee is possible is if this seller actually has a need for my services. If the property is in crappy condition and they don't want to list it, or if they need to move to Montana in like a month and they just want to get it over with quick, that's where we come in. So it's a win-win scenario. I get paid for my services, the investor gets paid after they fix it up, the seller, they get their money quick, it's an easy process, and they get to move to Montana or do whatever they want with their money.